Every journey begins with a single step, but for many, the weight of old habits hinders the first stride towards change. Formed from years of repetition, these habits craft a comfort zone difficult to abandon, despite our desire for a better life, healthier routines, and increased productivity. This desire whispers of potential, yet we find ourselves facing clouds of disappointment when common change strategies fall short. Why do we struggle to break free from this cycle? It turns out, our brains are wired for resistance, preferring the familiar path, thus setting the stage for a battle of aspirations. This introduction leads us to an intriguing solution within our own minds. We will delve into the concept of neuroplasticity, which offers both an explanation for our struggles and the keys to a lasting transformation. Unlocking our potential for change, we uncover neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable capacity to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Picture a vibrant landscape within the mind, where neural pathways, the routes and builders, continuously reshape our brain to reflect our behaviors and habits. This insight isn't just academic, it paves the way for actual life changes. By leveraging neuroplasticity, we guide our brains towards positive habit formation. This segment explores the relationship between repeated actions, learning new skills, and strengthening desired habits, setting the foundation for breaking old patterns and embracing new ones. Diving deeper, we see that our capacity to alter our habits is rooted in neuroplasticity's ability to create new neural pathways, effectively reprogramming our brain. This transformation relies on consistency and repetition, key elements that, in conjunction with a supportive environment, facilitate success. Simple environmental modifications, such as placing a water bottle on your desk or setting reminders for movement, can profoundly influence our behavior. These strategies, when applied intentionally, leverage our brain's adaptability to foster significant habit changes. We'll now transition into practical applications, illustrating how these principles can be integrated into daily routines, embodying the transition from theory to action. Moving from theory to practice, we enter the critical phase of applying these concepts to everyday life. Recognizing realistic goals and tracking progress become invaluable tools in this journey, acting as guides that highlight both our achievements and areas for improvement. Adjustability in our approach reminds us of the flexibility required in personal transformation. This adaptability, a core component of neuroplasticity, ensures that our strategies evolve alongside us. Through persistence, adaptability, and tailored strategies, we see how neuroplasticity not only facilitates habit change, but fundamentally alters our perception of possibility. This journey brings us to the intersection of neuroplasticity and human resilience, where the science behind habit change meets compelling personal stories of transformation. Each narrative showcases our potential for remarkable change, highlighting the profound impact of our efforts to adapt and rewire our brains. As we conclude, we carry with us the understanding that through the power of neuroplasticity, transforming our lives extends beyond changing habits. It's about redefining what we believe is possible. The journey doesn't end here. It's merely the beginning of an ongoing path of personal development and empowerment.